Assalamu alaikum, ninth class. In our previous lecture, we have done the active passive of past indefinite tense. Today our topic is changing the active tenses of past continuous tense into passive voice. First of all, we will see the rules of changing the active tenses into passive voice. Our first rule is subject change into object and object will be changed into subject. That is the first rule of changing active tenses into passive. Second one is use helping verb, and these helping verb will be changed according to the tense. In past continuous tense, we will use was being and were being. Was with singular, with I, with he, with she, with it, and were being with plural, with we, with you, and with they too. Our third rule is use third form of verb. Always use third form of verb in passive voice. Fourth rule is use preposition before object, and that preposition is by before object in passive voice, not in active. Here are some examples from past continuous tense. First one is you were telling a story. It is an active tense of past indefinite, past continuous tense. You were telling a story. Here you is a subject, were is helping verb, telling. Here tell is first form of verb and ing form makes this tense a continuous tense. A story, a here is article, indefinite article, and story is an object. So here a story is our object in active tense and it will be changed into subject of passive. So we will change our story. We will use our story as a subject in passive, our story, and according to subject we will use helping verb, that is was being. Our story is singular, so we will use was being. Our story was being. The third form of tell is told. Our story was being told by you. The objective case of you is you. You remain the same, you. Second one example is children were not making a noise. Children here is plural, so here is used were as a helping verb. Children were not making a noise. It is a negative sentence of past continuous tense and its passive voice is a noise was. We will use was. After that we will use not to make the sentence negative. A noise was not being made by children. Children as it is we will use here children. The objective case of children will remain children. Student, third example is who was ringing the bell. Okay, who we will change who with by whom. By whom was the bell being rung. Third form of ring is rung. Ring, rang, rung. Here some sentences from your exercise. Note down these sentences in your notebook and do practice of these tenses on your rough copy. First one sentence is the teacher was not teaching us. It is a negative sentence of past continuous tense. You will change this active tense into passive voice according to that method which we have taught, which we have learned. Second one is were the players playing the match. It is an interrogative sentence. Change this according to the rules and according to the method that you have learned. Third one is he was taking part in games. It is an active tense. Fourth one is we were listening to the news at noon. We were listening to the news at noon. Simple affirmative sentence. Fifth one is the rich man was not giving alms to the poor. It is a negative sentence of past continuous tense. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.